Hi everyone, I'm Rochelle, and I'm here to show you the Orochi, designed by Princeton Wong. The Orochi gets its name from a legendary serpent in Japanese mythology and its modern-day prominence in anime, inspiring this unique and intimidating blade shape. The blade itself is just over 3.5 inches long in a Damascus finish, and the handle is all titanium with a stonewash finish and a matching Damascus overlay. While this model clearly shows its thumb stud deployment method, my favorite feature of this design is the discreet flipper tab that hides just behind the eye-catching Damascus. Even though it's a subtle flipper tab, it is easy to deploy and has great closing action as well, thanks to the IKBS ball bearing pivot. If you're on the hunt for an aggressively elegant EDC, check out the Orochi, designed by Princeton Wong, made by CRKT.